Now let's say a card is chosen at random by the spectator. The spectator then takes a look and remembers their chosen card. The card is then pushed in to the center of the deck, and using some mind reading abilities, you are able to name the spectator's selected card. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you an amazing mind reading card trick. Let's do it. Now check this out. I'll have a spectator call out stop as I dribble through the deck. Let's just say they stop right here. Take a look and remember that card. Now once that card's been memorized, I'll take it, I'll leave it sticking out right here, and I'll even have the spectator push that card right into the center of the deck. Now from here, I'm going to try to use some mind reading and try to guess the spectator's card. Now in this deck, there are two colors, black and gold, so I'm going to have the spectator think if the card was either black or gold. Now I'm getting the vibe that it was a gold card. Now of course there's two suits that it could possibly be. It could either be a diamond or it could be a heart. But I'm getting the feeling towards a diamond. And of course now the only thing left to predict is the value of the card. And I'm going to say that the value you're thinking of is a king. So your selected card was the king of diamonds. Now if the tutorial video has already been released, make sure to go and check that out. And if it has not been released yet, just go and check out one of my other performances. I'll see you there.